Manufacturing has no shortage of data. What it lacks is interoperability. Across the plant, critical information is still trapped in disconnected systems, inconsistent models, and vendor-specific interfaces. This makes integration expensive, it slows down digital transformation, and it limits the impact of AI. Sesame's i3X is designed to change this with an open API that allows manufacturing systems, platforms, and applications to discover, access, and use contextualized data through a common interface. This demo will show how ThinkIQ supports this vision. ThinkIQ's Smart Manufacturing Interoperability Platform, or SMIP, provides the context layer that turns raw industrial data into meaningful operational information. It organizes assets, materials, processes, and relationships in a way that applications, and increasingly AI, can actually understand and use. This context is essential for scalable analytics, trusted automation, and the next generation of agentic AI in manufacturing. What you're seeing here is ThinkIQ's rich industrial model. This is where context lives, equipment, objects, types, and relationships, all structured in a way that preserves meaning across systems. We can now connect to the ThinkIQ platform through the i3X Explorer using the open i3X API. Once connected, the Explorer can browse ThinkIQ namespaces, discover available types, and inspect objects exposed by the platform. This shows that an i3X compliant third-party application can access ThinkIQ through a standard interface without requiring a custom integration. Here you can see the ThinkIQ instance surfaced inside the Explorer. We can navigate the type library, inspect object structures, and demonstrate that the platform is exposing its model in the format i3X compliant tools expect. The important point is not just connectivity, it is interoperability with context and fidelity preserved. And because manufacturing is dynamic, this can extend beyond static models to live, changing data through subscription-based exchange. This helps create a foundation for real-time interoperability across systems and applications. For manufacturers, this means lower integration costs, faster deployment, and more reusable solutions. For technology providers, it means application portability. And for AI, it means access to contextualized industrial data that is far more usable, trustworthy, and scalable. ThinkIQ is proud to support the open i3X ecosystem and help advance a more interoperable AI-ready future for manufacturing.